morning, children. In this video, we are going to learn how to find out LCM, the lowest common multiple of three numbers. In last video, we had learned how to find the LCM of two numbers by short division method using prime numbers. In this video, we are going to learn how to find the LCM of three numbers. And beta, if we learn how to find the LCM of three numbers, we can find the LCM of any numbers. So, in this video, I am going to tell you how we have to keep dividing the numbers till we get a prime number which can divide at least 2 out of the given numbers completely. I will show this to you with the help of some examples. Come on, let's do that.
Today, children, in this video, we are going to find out the LCM of three given numbers. In the last video, we had learned how to find the LCM of two numbers. I'm sure you must have practiced enough and mastered it. So today we will find out the LCM of three numbers. So the very first set which I am taking is 6, 8 and 10. So I want to find out the LCM of 6, 8 and 10. I will put it in an L and I will think of a prime number which will divide all the three numbers fully. So that prime number is 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. Now children, I want to find out a prime number which will divide these three numbers completely. Now, if you look at these numbers carefully, 3, 4 and 5 are co-prime numbers. So there is no number except 1 which will divide these three numbers fully. So our sum is over. And now we will calculate the LCM. And how we are going to do that? We will multiply the numbers which are outside the L and which are forming another L. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5. Now 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24 and 24 5s are is 120. So 120 is the LCM of 6, 8 and 10. Okay children, let us move further and find out the LCM of 8, 10 and 12. Let us put them in L. Now children, the prime number which will divide all these three numbers is 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Now we have to find a prime number which can divide these three numbers fully. Now there is no prime number which can divide these three numbers fully. But there is a prime number which can divide 4 and 6 fully. So children, in the second step, we will again divide the numbers by 2, but slightly differently. Please see, 2 2s are 4. 5 is an odd number, so it does not come in the table of 2. So beta, we are going to copy 5 as it is. And 2 3s are 6. Now think of a prime number which will divide 2, 5 and 3 fully. All these three numbers are themselves prime numbers, so they are also co-prime number. So there is no number which can divide these three numbers fully. So our sum is over, and now we have to calculate the LCM. We will calculate the LCM by multiplying the numbers which are forming L outside this big L. So we will multiply 2 by 2 by another 2 by another 5 and by 3. Now children, whenever there you have to multiply 2 and 5, 2 5s is 10. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. And 12 10s is 120. So beta, the LCM of 8, 10 and 12 is 120. Okay, now we will move further and do one more sum. Let us find the LCM of 10, 15 and 20. Let us put them in L. Now think of a prime number which will divide 10, 15 and 20, all three numbers. And that prime number is 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. Now children, we have 2, 3 and 4. Think of a prime number which will divide all three of them fully. 3 is an odd number. 2 and 4 are even numbers. So children, 2 will divide 2 as well as 4, but not 3. So in the next step, we will divide by 2, but very carefully. Please see, 2 1s are 2. 3 does not come in the table of 2, so we will copy it as it is. And 2 2s are 4. Now children, there is no prime number which will divide 1, 2 and 3 completely. So our sum is over. Now we will calculate the LCM. And how we will calculate? We are going to multiply 5, 2, 1, 3 and 2. So this is equal to 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. 5 2s are 10, 10 1s are 10, 10 3s are 30 and 30 2s is 60. So 60 is the LCM of 10, 15 and 20. Okay children, let us find the LCM of 18, 27 and 30. Let us put them in L. Now the number which will divide 18, 27 and 30, all three numbers, that prime number is 3. 3 6s are 18. 3 9s are 27. And 3 10s are 30. Now children, we can divide in the next step by 2 or by 3. Whichever number we will use, the answer will be the same. So I will use 2. 2 3s are 6. 9 does not come in the table of 2. So 9 will be copied as it is, beta. Remember, wherever that number does not come in the table, we copy it as it is. 2 5s are 10. Now we have 3, 9 and 5. So children, 3 and 9 both come in the table of 3. Since there are two numbers which come in the table of 3, we will do another step and divide by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, and 5 we are going to copy as it is. Now children, 3 and 5 and 1 cannot be divided completely by any prime number. So our sum is over and we will calculate the LCM by multiplying the numbers which are forming L outside this big L. So 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1 multiplied by another 3 and multiplied by 5. Okay, now 2 5s are 10 and 3 3s are 9, 9 1s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. So 27 multiplied by 10 is equal to 270. So dear children, 270 is the LCM of 18, 27 and 30. So children, this is how we find the LCM of three numbers. Preferably, there should be one prime number which can divide all the three numbers. But if there is no number which will divide all three numbers, then we will select that number which will divide at least two out of the three numbers. Okay. Now, one more very important thing which I want to teach you is if the numbers are coprime, how to find their LCM. Suppose we have to find the LCM of 4 and 9. Now children, 2 will divide 4 but it will not divide 9. 3 will divide 9 but it will not divide 4. So in this case children, 4 and 9 both are co-prime numbers, beta. They are co-prime numbers and we want to find the LCM of co-prime numbers. So LCM of co-prime numbers is the product of the numbers. So you are supposed to multiply these numbers and that product will be their LCM. So 9 4s is 36. So 36 is the LCM of 4 and 9. I hope children you would have understood how to find the LCM of three numbers, and similarly we can find the LCM of four numbers or five numbers and so on. That's all for today, children. Thank you and have a nice day.